The benefits of AI, how to make the most of it. Hey, everyone. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and if you're not using tools like CapCut, Gemini, or Copilot, you're missing out. Today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of AI and how you can make the most of these technologies to improve your daily life and work. 1. Boosting productivity. First off, let's talk about productivity. AI tools like Copilot help automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important work. If you're a programmer, Copilot can suggest lines of code in real time, cutting down the hours you'd normally spend debugging. Similarly, CapCut can help write emails, draft reports, or even brainstorm ideas. Imagine finishing your workday faster, with less stress, while still getting top-quality results. 2. Enhancing creativity. AI isn't just about automating tasks. It can also be a creative partner. Tools like Gemini and CapCut can assist you in generating new ideas, from content creation to marketing strategies. Need inspiration for your next big project? Ask CapCut to help you brainstorm, and you might discover fresh ideas you hadn't thought of before. The possibilities are endless when AI becomes a tool to enhance, not replace, your creativity. 3. Learning and skill development. AI is also a fantastic resource for learning. Whether you're trying to pick up a new language, improve your coding skills, or dive into complex topics like data analysis, AI tools can act as personal tutors. You can ask CapCut to explain difficult concepts, or even get step-by-step guidance in solving problems. With AI at your side, skill development becomes more accessible and personalized to your pace and needs. 4. Efficiency in problem solving. AI tools excel at analyzing large amounts of data and providing quick solutions. For businesses, this means faster decision-making and better outcomes. Gemini, for instance, can analyze complex scenarios and suggest efficient solutions. Whether you're running a small business or working on a team project, leveraging AI for quick analysis and strategic insights can give you a competitive edge. Conclusion. So, what's the takeaway? AI tools like CapCut, Copilot, and Gemini aren't just cool gadgets, they're powerful tools that can boost productivity, enhance creativity, help you learn new skills, and solve problems more efficiently. The key is learning how to use them effectively and incorporating them into your daily life and work routines. Start experimenting today and see how AI can transform the way you work and live.